The skies over Ukraine are about to witness a game-changing boost as the French Mirage 2005F, a battle-proven fighter jet with a track record of successful missions, prepares to join the fight against Russian aggression. In June, French President Emmanuel Macron promised that the first Mirage 2000 fighter jets would be delivered to Ukraine before the end of 2024. Although the delivery did not meet the original timeline, the fighter jets are expected to be available for Ukraine Air Force by the end of this month, January 2025. However, some unconfirmed reports suggest that the jets might already be in Ukraine and are being used for training purposes. France is reportedly planning to transfer a total of 20 Mirage 2005F fighter jets to Ukraine. The delivery of these French fighter jets comes at a critical time as Russia's bombing of Ukraine's civilian infrastructure continues unabated. During the first 5 days of 2025, Russia deployed over 630 strike drones, approximately 740 guided aerial bombs, and nearly 50 missiles of various types. The Mirage 2005F is a French multirole fighter jet and one of the oldest aircraft still in operation with the French armed forces, primarily used for NATO reconnaissance missions. However, France's Directorate General of Armaments has modified the Mirage at the Kazakh base in Gironde, transforming it into a versatile platform capable of launching Scalp EG cruise missiles for long-range strikes against Russia. The Mirage 2005F is equipped with advanced radar systems, specifically the Thales RDI radar, known in French as Doppler impulsion, which is more sophisticated than the radars found on the MiG-29 and Su-27. Reportedly, the Mirage can detect 24 airborne targets simultaneously, track 8, and engage 4 at once. This French fighter jet offers superior situational awareness with a modern digital cockpit and advanced avionics, enabling it to process more information in real time. This makes it faster and more efficient than the MiG-29 and Su-27 during high-pressure combat. Additionally, the Mirage is lighter and more maneuverable than its counterparts, providing greater flexibility and precision. Ukrainian crews have reportedly completed extensive training programs to operate the Mirage, ensuring that Ukrainian personnel can effectively fly, maintain, and repair these French fighter jets. In 2019, the Indian Air Force flew older Mirage 2000 fighter jets during Operation Bandar, carrying out the Balakot airstrike against the Jaish-e-Mohammed group in Pakistan. This attack was in response to the Pulwama attack, which is known as one of the deadliest terrorist assaults in India. India also used the Mirage 2000 fighter jets to strike enemy positions during the 1999 Kargil War. According to reports, the Mirage 2000 fighter jets were a game-changer for India in the Kargil Heights, giving the country an advantage in the conflict. On March 9, 2024, the French Air Force successfully carried out its first airstrike since World War II. Two Mirage 2005F jets destroyed two Shad 136 drones launched by Houthi rebels in Yemen, targeting the French air defense frigate Alsace. Moscow has launched thousands of Shade drones at Ukraine, and Russia's drone attacks are on the rise. The Shade drones are cheap to manufacture and easy to mass produce, and Russia frequently uses them to target civilian infrastructure. Reports indicate that Russia plans to increase its Shade drone production in 2024, reaching an estimated 2,000 Shade drones produced per month. Iran has also supplied Shad 136 drones to Russia in exchange for financial aid and support for its nuclear program. The Mirage and F-16 fighter jets were developed around the same time, but they have significant differences in design and capabilities. According to experts in the field, when compared to the American F-16, the Mirage does not perform as well in air-to-air combat. Experts point out that the Mirage 2005 lacks long-range air-to-air missiles, making it more suitable for air defense in inland areas and for launching guided bombs. While the F-16 can perform similar tasks, its armament allows it to prevent enemy aircraft from breaching the area, where they too could drop bombs. The F-16 can carry air-to-air missiles with a range of up to 160 kilometers, while the Mirage 2005's range is limited to just 60 to 80 kilometers. The Mirage 2005 lacks the necessary weapons to perform such tasks effectively. Konstantin Krivolap, a former test technician for the Ukrainian aircraft manufacturer Antonov, also discussed these shortcomings. According to him, the radar on the French aircraft still has many deficiencies. Even on our Mi-29, the radar situation is better than on the Mirage, he told RBC Ukraine. While the Mirage is considered a fighter jet, Krivolap believes it is too outdated for such use. Russian fighter jets could easily intercept missiles fired by the Mirage, he added. France's success in using Mirage jets to intercept Shahed drones shows their potential to help Ukraine counter Russia's increasing drone attacks. This success proves the Mirage's ability to adapt to evolving threats. In a significant step to enhance Ukraine's offensive power, France is modifying its Mirage jets to enable Ukraine to launch Anglo-Franco Storm Shadow missiles. This will greatly boost Ukraine's ability to strike deeply within enemy territory. The Storm Shadow missile, known as Scalp in France, is designed for precision deep strikes. With a range of 250 kilometers and a 450 kilograms warhead, it can travel at nearly the speed of sound 1,000 kilometers per hour. Since mid-November, after restrictions on long-range missiles were lifted, Ukraine's strikes have cut Russian aerial bombing attacks by over 50%. This marks a significant shift in the conflict, showcasing the importance of the Mirage and Storm Shadow in Ukraine's defense strategy.